Get his son as bits.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and this is All Things Igbo with Mimi. So today I'll be teaching you all how to say our Father in Igbo. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Now let's begin.
Nine tata, only go bosai, Barai Mehanga, Dicasi Barandi Mirai, Equine Kaikunalani, Mazota Najife Ame.